Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about keywords and questions answers of chapter 16, that is garbage in, garbage out. इस वीडियो में मैं क्वेश्चंस को हिंदी में भी समझाऊंगी ताकि आप क्वेश्चंस को समझ पाए और उसके आंसर्स को सही तरीके से लिख पाए। तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं कीवर्ड से। फर्स्ट कीवर्ड इज वेस्ट, no longer useful, or waste is any substance that cannot be used in the form it is produced. Next keyword is garbage, worthless, rubbish, or offensive. Next keyword is landfill. Landfill is an area where the garbage collected from a city or town is dumped. Next keyword is compost, a mixture of various decaying organic substances as dead leaves or manure used for fertilizing soil. Next keyword is vermicomposting. The method of making compost from kitchen garbage using red worms is called vermicomposting. Next and last keyword is recycling. Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new materials and objects. Now questions answers. First question, which kind of garbage is not converted into compost by the red worms? इट मीन्स रेड वर्म्स के द्वारा किस टाइप का गार्बेज कंपोस्ट यानी कि खाद में कन्वर्ट नहीं होता है? आंसर, नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट containing polythene bags, plastics, metals and glass which do not rot cannot be converted into compost by red worms. Next question, have you seen any other organisms besides red worms in your pit? If yes, try to find out their names. Draw pictures of these. क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है, क्या आपने गड्ढे में रेड वर्म्स के अलावा कोई ऑर्गेनिजम्स को देखा है? यदि हाँ, तो उसके नामों को पता लगाने की कोशिश करें और उसके पिक्चर को ड्रॉ करें। आंसर, यस, बिसाइड रेड वर्म्स देयर आर स्पाइडर्स, स्मॉल बग्स, फ्लाइज, मोल्ड्स एंड स्मॉल इंसेक्ट्स etc. एंड दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ हाउस फ्लाई. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डिस्कस, इज गार्बेज डिस्पोजल द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ओनली ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट? इट मीन्स, क्या गार्बेज डिस्पोजल सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट की जिम्मेदारी है? डिस्कस करें. आंसर, नो, गार्बेज डिस्पोजल इज नॉट द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ ओनली द गवर्नमेंट. गार्बेज डिस्पोजल इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ एवरी सिटीजन. If you continue to generate so much garbage, our environment will be polluted and diseases will be spreading at large scale. Next question, is it possible to reduce the problems relating to disposal of garbage? It means, क्या garbage disposal के problems को कम करना संभव है? Answer, yes, it is possible to reduce the problems relating to disposal of garbage. We should use those materials which are recyclable and reduce the use of non-biodegradable materials. While throwing out garbage in dustbin, we should separate biodegradable waste from non-biodegradable waste and throw them in separate bins. Next question, what do you do with the leftover food at home? It means, आप घर के बचे खाना के साथ क्या करते हैं? Answer, first point, we keep the leftover food in the refrigerator and use when we need. Second point, we use it to feed animals with leftover food. Next point, sometime we put it in pit for composting manure. Next question, if you and your friends are given the choice of eating in plastic plate or a banana leaf platter at a party, which one would you prefer and why? It means, अगर आपको और आपके फ्रेंड्स को किसी पार्टी में प्लास्टिक की प्लेट्स या केले के पत्ते में खाने का चॉइस दिया जाए तो आप किसे पसंद करेंगे और क्यों? Answer, banana leaf is a better choice because it is biodegradable. On the other hand, eating on a plastic plate is not good for health. As plastic is non-biodegradable, it will not be disposed of easily. Next question, collect pieces of different kinds of paper. Find out which of these can be recycled. It means, different types के papers को collect कीजिए और पता कीजिए कि इनमें से कौन recycle हो सकता है. Answer, most of the papers available in the market are recyclable. That is, newspapers, notebook, magazines, paper sheets, envelopes, etc. On the other hand, laminated papers are not recyclable. Next question, with the help of a lens, look at the pieces of paper you collected for the above question. Do you see any difference in the material of recycled paper and a new sheet of paper? इट मीन्स ऊपर जो क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है उसमें जो पेपर कलेक्ट किए उसे लेंस से देखिए। क्या आपको नए पेपर और रिसाइकिल पेपर में कोई अंतर दिखाई दे रहा है? आंसर, handmade recycled paper, when seen through a lens, very small holes will be visible. The difference between new sheets and recycled paper is quite clear. Usually, handmade recycled paper is of rough quality. Next question. Collect different kinds of packaging material. What was the purpose for which each one was used? Discuss in groups. It means different packaging materials को इकट्ठा करें। इकट्ठे किए गए पैकेजिंग मटेरियल्स का यूज क्यों किया गया था, ग्रुप में डिस्कस करें। आंसर, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ पैकेजिंग मटेरियल्स यूज्ड कॉमनली आर फर्स्ट कार्डबोर्ड used as a shoe, soap, bulb and other boxes. Next, plastic bags, toys covers, sarees bags, shopping bags, etc. Next, wooden boxes, fruit baskets and boxes for handwear. Next, jute bags, school bags, shopping bags, vegetable bags, etc. Next, thermocol, refrigerator, air conditioner, TV, etc. Now next question, give an example in which packaging could have been reduced. It means एक example दे जिसमें packaging material का use कम किया जा सकता है। Answer, by reuse and avoiding the use of packaging materials like box, color ribbon, etc. We can reduce the packaging materials. Next question, write a story on how packaging increasing amount of garbage. It means एक story लिखे कि कैसे packaging से garbage बढ़ता है। Answer, packaging material increases the amount of garbage as it is being thrown carelessly on the roads. Also, they are non-biodegradable waste. Therefore, they cause harm to nature through pollution. Sometimes these packaging materials go down the drains and block the flow of water. Thus, packaging material definitely increases the amount of garbage, can cause difficulty in its proper disposal. Now next and last question, do you think it is better to use compost instead of chemical fertilizers? Why? It means क्या आपको लगता है कि केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स के बजाय कंपोस्ट का यूज करना बेहतर है? क्यों? आंसर, yes, it is better to use compost instead of chemical fertilizers. Compost is made out of natural or organic things like plant and animal waste which do not cause any pollution. Whereas the chemical fertilizers are prepared from harmful chemicals which cause soil and water pollution. That's it. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा।